I want to talk travel trends. According to Hopper, domestic airfares, they are cooling down finally. But guess what? The lower prices are not going to actually last that long. As for international trends, fares to Europe remain 11% higher than a year ago. But if you're looking for a bargain, here's where you can get it. Tickets to Cancun average $270 per seat. Joining us right now to talk about travel trends is Hayley Berg, a Hopper lead economist. Good morning to you. I got to tell you, the airfare still feels high to me. Every time I'm online trying to find a seat on something, even domestically, it doesn't feel like it's really coming down. To the extent it is, which I know is what you're saying the data suggests, how long is this going to be and where are we talking about?
Right now, we're seeing airfare dip to most regions of the world, domestic, international, short and long haul. But it's mostly because of this demand slump that we see every year after the summer. Travelers are hot on spring break vacations and then summer vacations, but most of us go back to work and back to school at the end of August. So September and October, not very popular. Incentivizes both hotels and airlines to drop prices for what we call the fall shoulder season. So we expect prices to remain low for the next 8 weeks.
But are we talking week over week, month over month, or are we talking year over year? Meaning, what was it like in the shoulder season last year?
Prices for domestic are lower than prices in the shoulder season last year and compared to 2019. So domestic prices for the next 2 months are going to be the lowest they've been in about 4 or 5 years. Not the same for international, where, as you've said, flights to Europe, flights to Asia, still more expensive than last year, but have dropped relative to peaks in July.
And is your sense that continues? I mean, talk about Thanksgiving when families around the country try to get together, Christmas time for both, family, domestic travel, people going on, big vacations internationally.
Relative to prices today, airfare for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for end-of-year trips will be higher, but we do expect them to remain in line with or slightly below 2019 levels. So prices will be advantageous for domestic travelers through the end of the year. International travelers, prices are going to remain high. They're cooling to Europe, which is great news because they peaked, well over 20% higher than last year. Airfare to Asia is a different story. We're still about 60% higher than pre-pandemic. We don't expect those to come down soon.
Why is that?
Capacity hasn't come back. We're still at about 65% capacity compared to 2019 to Asia. So until we see more flights taking off, more passengers able to book, we're not going to see those prices come down substantially.
And what does 24 look like to you?
Continued high demand, especially for international travel. That's what we've seen really strongly in the summer months. Continued demand for some of those long haul trips to Europe, even to Asia with high prices. And flexibility is key. We see a really strong signal that travelers are continuing to prioritize having more flexibility when they book travel. It's coming out of the pandemic, but it's a trend that we expect to continue into next year.
Okay, tips and tricks for those in the know, since you're in the know. Are there like certain days you're supposed to book your travel, certain hours, like Tuesday night at midnight or something, where you can get these better rates? Is that true?
Unfortunately, it's not true. Everyone wants a golden rule, an easy way to get a great deal, but the reality is that prices are incredibly volatile. Airlines are changing prices constantly. So the best time to book your specific trip, your specific dates, destination won't be the same. It won't always be a Tuesday at 6 a.m. or a Saturday at 2 a.m. The best way to get a good price is to use a price monitoring tool that is going to be monitoring the price of your trip constantly and sending you notifications when
Which is what you do.
That's what we do at Hopper. That's the core of our business. We predict the future price to tell our customers when they should buy, and we do the price monitoring and notify them when prices hit that low point. Okay,
what about miles? For those of us who are cheap and are trying to use our miles and never can use them. You can never use them.
I hear they're going away.
What's going to happen? I mean, they're just getting devalued is what's happening.
We'll continue to see the market invest in loyalty programs. What those loyalty programs look like might change over the next couple of years as travelers travel slightly differently, more international, planning more last minute. But I expect we'll continue to see loyalty in some sense. How it looks might change as airlines adapt.